Home Radio. Anyway, but you can hear me at 106.3 Hot FM from 12 noon to... I would like to call the team leader. Okay, mga team leader lang because if I am going to call all the members, dilita mo igo. And a big round of applause to Gaisano Mall. Thank you so much. The team leader of SD Crew, Carl Bagulo. Leader of Ultimate Remix is Jovi Tejantillo. Stargazer is Mary Ann Cameros. MCDC Mia Exhaure. The crew Marvin Brasil. QMC Dolls Julian Ricare. Padapin ko ha. High Energy Ranila Megolias. Session crew Makmak. Amas Makmak. Makmak. And last but not the first performer, Kikay Girl, Christine. Okay, to make it more happy and more fun, calling all the members of the dance group, please come on stage. 3 Wayne Cosmetic Distributors, Silka Papaya, Alagang Silka, Sanyo Philippines Incorporated. So nice to come home to Dunkin' Donuts, pasalubong ng bayan, Samurai Printing Press, for all your printing needs. Define Hair Care, the styling gel, define your character. And this space of gentleness is also in part by Bulakway Larawan Studio, specialized in photo and video coverage, Gold Star Daily. For making this event possible, thanks so much, guys.